बेंगलुरु में वायुसेना अधिकारी और पत्नी पर हमला, खून से लथपथ वीडियो जारी किया। डैश कैम रिकॉर्डिंग में आरोपी पकड़ा गया। बेंगलुरु में सोमवार सुबह वायुसेना के अधिकारी और उनकी पत्नी पर कुछ लोगों ने हमला कर दिया। उनके साथ मारपीट के अलावा गाली गलौज भी की गई। ऑफिसर ने वीडियो जारी कर घटना की जानकारी दी है। पुलिस के मुताबिक विंग कमांडर शीलादित्य बोस पत्नी स्क्वाड्रन लीडर मधुमिता दत्ता के साथ कोलकाता की फ्लाइट पकड़ने एयरपोर्ट जा रहे थे। उसी दौरान बीच रास्ते में कुछ लोगों ने बाइक से उनका पीछा किया और गाड़ी रोककर मारपीट की। शीलादित्य के सिर और चेहरे से खून बह रहा था। पत्नी ने उन्हें अस्पताल पहुंचाया। इलाज के बाद पति पत्नी थाने पहुंचे। पहले पुलिस ने एफआईआर दर्ज नहीं की। हालांकि उनकी पत्नी के कहने पर बायपनहल्ली पुलिस स्टेशन में मामला दर्ज किया गया। वायुसेना अधिकारी की कार में लगे डैश कैम रिकॉर्ड के आधार पर आरोपी की पहचान स्विगी के डिलीवरी बॉय के तौर पर की गई है। पुलिस ने उसे अरेस्ट कर लिया है। अब उससे पूछताछ की जा रही है। वीडियो में बोस बता रहे हैं कि हम डीआरडीओ सीवी रमन नगर फेज 1 में रहते हैं। आज सुबह मेरी पत्नी मुझे एयरपोर्ट ले जा रही थी, तभी पीछे से एक बाइक आई और हमारी कार को रोक दिया। उस व्यक्ति ने कन्नड़ में गाली देना शुरू कर दिया। जब उन्होंने मेरी कार पर डीआरडीओ का स्टिकर देखा तो कहा, तुम डीआरडीओ के लोग हो। बोस ने बताया, उन्होंने हमारी पत्नी को गाली दी और मैं इसे बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सका है। इसके बाद उस व्यक्ति ने पत्थर उठाया और मेरी कार पर मारने की कोशिश की। विंग कमांडर ने एक और वीडियो शेयर किया जिसमें वे कह रहे हैं कि पुलिस के पास गए लेकिन उन्हें कोई मदद नहीं मिली। अगर कानून उनकी मदद नहीं करता है तो वे इसका बदला जरूर लेंगे। पहले हमले के बाद बोस अपनी गाड़ी से बाहर निकले और पूछा कि क्या लोग सेना या सुरक्षा बलों के किसी व्यक्ति के साथ ऐसा व्यवहार करते हैं। यह सुनकर और लोग इकट्ठा हो गए और उन्हें गाली देना शुरू कर दिया है। शीलादित्य की पत्नी की शिकायत पर पुलिस ने आरोपी हमलावर को अरेस्ट कर लिया और चश्मदीदों का कहना है कि हमलावर एक फूड डिलीवरी ऐप के लिए काम करता है। बाद में अफसर ने भी डिलीवरी बॉय को 20-30 घूंसे मारे। लोगों ने उन्हें रोकने की कोशिश की लेकिन वे अपने गुस्से पर कंट्रोल नहीं कर पा रहे थे।
Hello everyone, I am Wing Commander Shiladitya Bose and this is my wife, Squadron Leader Madhumita. We stay in DRDO, CV Raman Nagar, Phase 1. Today morning, my wife was driving me to the airport and suddenly one bike came from behind, stopped in between, stopped our way. I will show you the video of my dash cam also. He came out, started abusing me in Kannada, and then seeing that my car has a DRDO sticker, he says that you be DRDO people, and says many things in Kannada, and finally she abused my wife, and then I couldn't bear it. When I was coming outside, immediately he took his key in his hand and hit me on my head, taking my blood out. I stood there shouting that this is how you people defend whom we defend. Treat a person from the army, from Air Force or from Navy, from the defense forces. More people came surprisingly and started abusing us that we are doing wrong things. That person, he took his stone out, started trying to hit my car. I trying to stop, he hit me on my head again. Here you can see the blood and see my condition. My wife was there thankfully to take me out, come in the car. We went to the police station. Presently no response. We will see it further. We are going to the hospital as per them. But this is what Karnataka has become. I believed in Kannada, but seeing the truth, the reality of main heartland Karnataka, I couldn't believe it. God help us. God gave me the power not to retaliate. Tomorrow, if law and order doesn't help me, I will retaliate. And then these people will have it. Please help me.
তুমি একটা ভিডিওতে যদি পারো একটা ইনফর্ম করে দাও তো তুমি ওই ফ্লাইটটা নিতে পারবে।
না, নিতে পারবো। আমার ফ্যামিলি রকম সব কিছু বেরিয়ে যাবো।
Good morning, and I'm right now in the airport. You must be knowing what has happened in the morning, so I'll just narrate the entire incident so that everything is clear. So in the morning, I had a flight to catch. I'm going to Calcutta today for admitting my father to hospital. He has some surgery to be done. So my wife Madhumita was driving me at around morning 6:30 to drop me to the bus stop. And near Gopalan Grand Mall, just near C.V. Raman Nagar, suddenly from the right one bike comes and stops in front of a car. So I'll share the dashcam video also, and it will be available in CCTV. He comes in front of a car, parks his bike, and thereafter, wearing a helmet, keys in his hand, comes in front of a car and starts saying, "You DRDO people," and something in Kannada. So my wife was driving, so he saw that and came towards my side and then started arguing, and suddenly, all of a sudden, he punched me with his key. I didn't realize what had happened. I tried to open the door and come outside. I threw him away, and thereafter, just to exit from that area, I rushed to the bike, took the bike and threw it away on the side, and was coming back to the car just to sit and exit the area, and suddenly he came with something and started hitting me again. Finally, he was taking a stone and trying to break the glass of my car. I stopped him. Using the same stone, he hit me on my head. The shocking thing is that the local people, the Kannada people there, everybody was watching. There were aged people who were only telling the person who had done the crime that he was wrong, get away from here. But the other locals, they were supporting him. They were holding my hand. That guy even bit me in my finger. He bit me in my finger. It's atrocious. If I had the capacity, I could have done anything to him. I was larger in size, larger in power. But he came, shocking because he came prepared. He had a keys in his hand, wearing a helmet, and he wanted to aggravate the situation. And God knows what would have happened if my wife was there alone. I'm very worried now that my wife and my kid are there alone. This happened in the heart of the city in DRDO area. So I think something will be done by all the authorities within the correct legal measures. I have the vehicle number of that person, and I hope all the things. I have lost so many things. The local I don't know, one of my phones and one of my keys. I'll check, but that's not the main thing. Main thing is my wife and kid who are there alone in Bangalore. Thank you.